Hello everyone. In science chapter parts of a plant, till now we have learned two types of root, taproot and fibrous root. After that we have learned stem, what are the functions, how they help, leaf its part and what they release, how they help to the plant. Now we will come to the part that is flower. Now flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. It has a different shape, size and a fragrances also. A brightly colored attractive part of a flower are called petals. What is the flower made up of? It's made up of small petals. Now, what are the functions of the flower? Flower turns into the fruit. Flower turns into a fruit. And flower provides food to the butterflies and honeybees in the form of a nectar. Whatever the food that the plant makes, by that a flower is pinned. We can see a flower, and from that flower, honeybees and butterfly they come and they suck the nectar. Sweet liquid sort of is there. They suck that and they make honey from that. Flower of most of the plant change into the fruit. In most of the plants, that flowers that turns to the fruit. Fruit is a fleshy part of a plant. This part of a plant that is usually we eat. What are the fruits which we eat? Before that you will see the flowers are there on the tree. Fruit cover and protect the seed of the plant. Like I'll give you some examples. Mango seed. What is there? If you cut the mango, inside that you will find a seed of the mango tree. Now, in many fruits you will see they have single seed, and in many other fruits you will see many seeds are there. Like if you have cut any papaya, you will see a black seeds inside it, and there are many. And if you take a mango tree, in that you will find a single seed, big one. Some fruits have many seeds and some have single seed. For example, orange, papaya and watermelons, they have many seeds in it. Seeds are also an important part of a plant. Why it is important? Because it helps to reproduce. Like when we eat the fruit, we throw away the seeds, and again that seeds they turn to the plants, and this way the cycle goes on. Now in this, seeds produce new plants. Seeds of some plant can be eaten and they are called edible seeds. What they are called? Edible seeds. For examples, almonds, groundnut and coconut, badam, mungfali and coconut. What they are? They are edible seeds. The seeds of a certain plants cannot be eaten. They are called unedible. Now the seed of a groundnut, जो मूंगफली है, बादाम है, that is seed of a plant that we eat, so that is called edible, जो हम खा सकते हैं. And of some we don't eat, like of papaya, of watermelon. What we do? We eat that seed? No. So that is unedible seeds. For examples, watermelon, mangoes, that whatever that seed is there, we eat or what? No. But at the same time of groundnuts, मूंगफली जो होती है, that is seed of the plant that we eat. बादाम हो गए, that is a seed part that we eat. So we have two different over here. Edible, that seed which we eat, unedible which we don't eat. With this, now we have completed our second chapter, parts of a plant.